Hi everyone, this is Mr. Amatrano from the Mendon Upton Regional School District with a tutorial on how to set up a student blog using Blogger. All Mendon Upton Regional School District students and teachers have access to Blogger as a tool through our Google Apps account to create a blog for either a student or a teacher. It's very simple and easy, and here are the steps that you need to do in order to do it. First thing is, you're going to type in the web address for Blogger, which is www.blogger.com. Hit enter, and it's going to bring you to the Blogger page where they're going to ask you to log in. You're going to log in with your standard MURSD email address and password. Click sign in. It's going to first ask you to make sure that you confirm your profile. We're going to use a limited Blogger profile. Students do not have access to Google Plus due to age restrictions. So we're going to just have students making sure that they create a limited Blogger profile. So we click that button. I'm going to enter in my display name, which is test student, because that's the account that this is. Students would enter their first name and last initial for privacy purposes in order to set up their Blogger profile. So then I'm going to click continue to Blogger. In here you have your dashboard where you have access to the blogs that you've created, and you also have access to your reading list where you can subscribe to other people's blogs. For our purposes today, we're going to create a new blog. So we're going to click on the new blog button. I'm going to title this blog Test Students Blog, and my address is going to be probably my username for my student. So if I were a student in the class of 2020, I would type my last name, student, my first initial, T, and my year of graduation. So my blog address is going to be studentt20.blogspot.com. It will tell you if the blog is available, so if somebody else has the same username as you, which if they're a MURSD student, they will not, but if there's a similar address out there, it'll let you know, and then you'll just have to adjust it. If that happens, come and see Mr. Amatrano, and I'll help give you some suggestions. The next thing you're going to do is create a template or select a template. I would recommend selecting just a simple template, either from the simple category or some of the other ones. I would not recommend selecting a dynamic view template. They're just they're not very pretty. You can't really customize it. So we're going to go with a simple template, and I'm going to click Create Blog in the lower right hand corner. It's going to offer you to set up your own personal domain. We're not going to do that. We're going to click No Thanks. So right now we have the dashboard of the individual blog that we're working on. So now that you've actually created the blog, you're ready to start posting. To see what your blog looks like right now, you're going to click on View Blog. It's going to open it up in a new tab, and you see it's pretty basic. You can adjust the template and how it looks by choosing the template tab over here on the left. So you can spend some time customizing that and making it look how you want it to look. You can change the background, you can change the width, you can change the layout, and you can make some advanced changes as well in terms of the font, colors, and things like that. I wouldn't recommend spending too much time worrying about that because you want to get right to writing. So take some time to make it personalized and make it your own, and then once you've done that, you are ready to start blogging. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to email Mr. Amatrano at AMITRANO@mers.org. Thank you.